Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about slicing strings. We can slice strings. The syntax for that is: here's the name of the variable where the string is stored, and here we have the start index and the past index. Now, slicing a string gives the portion of the string beginning at start index and ending at the index directly before past index. So past index is not included. Now let's have a look at an example. Here we have a string. Now let's slice it like so. Start index 0, colon, past index 6. So this means we want a slice from index 0 to index 5 because 6 is not included. And this is what we get: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about this? From index 3 to index 7. So actually from index 3 to 6. Here's the result. Now if we skip start index, it means from the beginning. So it's by default set to 0. So something like this, colon 6, is the same as 0 to 6. Let's have a look. Print, and here we can use just colon 6, which means from the beginning to index 5. So this is exactly the same as this. We can skip past index, which means to the end. So something like this, 10 colon, means from index 10 to the end. And this is what we get: must be sliced from index 10 to the end. We can use negative indices as well. Have a look. From index 0 to index -4. So all without the 4 characters at the end. Or something like this. From index -5 to index -1, which means from index -5 to index -2. And this is the result. We can copy the whole string, slicing the whole of it. We just omit the indices in the square brackets. So we use something like this. This is used to copy the whole string. For example, print, and here we'll use just a colon, which means from the beginning to the end. And as you can see, we get the whole string. We can also slice sequences so that only every third or every fifth element is taken. We just need to set the step as the third argument in the square brackets. So here, the syntax is start index to past index with a step. Here's an example. Here we have our text variable. The car is waiting outside. Now let's print every third element from index 1 to index 19. We can do it like so. Text from index 1 to index 20, so actually to index 19, with step 3. And this is what we get. Index 1 is here. From here on, every third character up to index 19. Or something like this. Let's skip the first two indices, so we just use colons with step 4. This means every fourth element from the whole string. And this is the result. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.